Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is a Ford Transit 2020, and actually this vehicle was broken into by thieves. They were able to copy the key and get in, and luckily they didn't manage to start the vehicle. So we've actually installed on this vehicle is what's called the StarLine S9 alarm system, as you can see there. So with the StarLine S9 alarm, it fully immobilizes your vehicle if you don't have a special tag with you, and also it will set an alarm off if you were to get in the vehicle without that tag. So this is the tag you need, this tag here. I've disabled it at the moment, so it's not working. So what thieves usually do is they copy your key when you unlock the vehicle. They copy the frequency on this and they're able to get in the vehicle. So as you can see, when I unlock the car now, after a few seconds, you can hear a very loud alarm going off because I don't have the tag with me. And when I go to try and start the vehicle, the car will not turn on at all. It's fully immobilized as well. And also what's going to happen is the system's going to call you on your phone, letting you know someone's got in.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Door open. The car's condition is arm alarm system.
So as you can see, it lets you know someone's got in the vehicle and trying to steal it. So I'm going to get the tag with me and I'm going to show you how to disable the system. Okay, so I got the working tag with me now, so I'm going to disable the system. So I just disable the system with the tag. You don't need to press anything. You only need to have the tag with you when you get in the vehicle to start it. You only press it to disarm it. So now the car starts as normal. So yeah, so no tag, no start, and you set the alarm off. Additionally is the smartphone app you get with the system. So this is the smartphone app you get with the system. Gives you full status of the vehicle, and you can also control the alarm system and send various functions to the vehicle to be able to basically control the alarm. So you got the unlock and lock. You got anti-hijack, so if someone does take your tag and keys, you can disable the vehicle using this. This is your service, so you take it to a garage, you can put in the service mode. You also got your tracker here, so you can track where the vehicle is, and you've got various other commands you can send to it as well. Additionally is sensors you have built into the system. So you've got various sensors. So you got motion sensor, you got tilt sensor, you got shock sensor, and you got shock sensor alarm. So motion, they try and move your vehicle, it will set the alarm off. The tilt sensor, if they tilt the vehicle, it will set the alarm off. Same with the other two as well, and it will call you on your phone, let you know those sensors have gone off as well. Additionally is what we've installed is a glass break sensor on this, so I will show you that now. Okay, so I'm going to show you the glass break sensors we installed. So we got little microphones in the vehicle, so they listen to the high pitch frequency when someone tries to break the glass. So if I were to tap it with something sharp, as you see, the alarm goes off.